Hello there. I want to give you a quick tour on how to use the interactive video. It is a plugin called h5p. The logo looks like this. And when you click into it, you have a video shown look like this. Okay, so one of the first recommendation is to enter the full screen mode. Okay, this is a better learning experience. Okay, so enter the full screen mode, and you can see that this video has been pulled from YouTube. Okay, you can see the logo here. If you click here, you will go to the original video without the interaction. But we're gonna stick here so we have some interaction to play with. So I'm gonna mute. We won't be interfering the talk. Okay, so when the video is playing, you can see that there are some dots on the timeline here. Okay, this. If you mouse over the dot, you can see that it's actually say multiple choice. This is also multiple choice and multiple choice. You can actually click on it if your teacher didn't set the restriction on like forwarding and backwarding. So you can click on it, and in fact that dot represent questions. So I'm gonna randomly check on this. Okay, it's wrong. I can look up for the answer, or I can just like keep going. Okay, I move to the second one. All right. And sometimes you have like multiple answer type questions. Keep in mind that typically 2 correct answers mean 2 points. 1 correct answer means 1 point. So the previous question is like a single answer, which is 1 point, but this one has 2 points. You get 2 out of 2, right? So that is something that is kind of tricky in here. Another thing is sometimes you might have like this summary question. I'm gonna just jump there. Okay, the summary question would show as an icon like this. Keep in mind that you have to do that part too to get all the score. So click on it, and it would be like choose the correct statement. Alright, you get 2 answers correct. And once you're done with everything, the module would summarize your score. That look more or less like this. Okay, at what minute and what's the question, and whether or not you have the score. If you are satisfied with this, you can just click submit. If you don't click this, your score would not be sent to the system. So I'm going to click it, and it's done. All right. So another thing that I think might get you guys confused is this. Sometimes you have some video show up on the screen look like this. This is the suggested video from YouTube, which is not part of the learning, but because YouTube enforced this feature, I think since 2019, because it's part of their revenue. Okay, the best thing that we could do is we could restrict it only to our channel, but it still might not be relevant to our learning. All right, just make sure that you understand that part too. Okay, sometimes when you're playing the video and you can see like some suggested video showing up here, which is kind of confusing, but you know, it's something that we have to live with. All right, so that's it for h5p.